performance reigns supreme when our focus hits direct. I catch wreck for a higher cause than spectator respect. I rip a rhyme for a reason being my history. Where the victory was won when the sun was hung. I wouldn't expect y'all to get it, but it's the truth, so deal with it. Fit fine for a king, you serve the kick and then I hit it. Spit it to a crowd of one, the only ears I wanna please. I'll be willing to play the fool to keep my father's mind at ease. Cause trying to please all of y'all is like murder in the first. Thirsty for a verse, the mainstream disperse. It's gotta be the worst thing. We keep it pure, singing songs of heat stroke. Stop provoke to leave the boat in order to get our feet soaked. Tunnel vision locks us in as we grip the microphone and get in zone with the king of kings sitting on his throne. The audience is singular ingredients, consist of we obedient pendulum entities. Our identities vocalized, we rise and sense of glorified Jehovah Jah, three persons unified. The audience is singular ingredients, consist of we obedient pendulum entities. Our identities vocalized, we rise and sense of glorified Jehovah Jah, three persons unified.
I perform on the stage of life just for the one and only God in the sky, longing for the applause and approval of my King, who is the nucleus of all things living on earth in a soul search, always in the word being purged, defined not as actors but as pastors and teachers of the master's wisdom, as seekers of souls, keeping the vision in high definition while I'm fishing for men to listen to the voice of the infinite, intricate, intimate, omnipotent audience in singular form, in plural, God of the urban and rural, suburban and ghetto, riverbanks and meadows, leaves and petals surviving with the water and the sun. Without his handiwork it couldn't be done.
The audience is singular ingredients, consist of we obedient pendulum entities. Our identities vocalized, we wise and sense of glorified Jehovah Jah, three persons unified. The audience is singular ingredients, consist of we obedient pendulum entities. Our identities vocalized, we wise and sense of glorified Jehovah Jah, three persons unified.
After enormous performance, brains remain dormant. Meanwhile, cardiacs arrested and wretched due to criminal records with minimal wreckage. Feminine methods, the subliminal message they choose to use to bruise crews. Talking about it matters how the world views you, but God's creation will find no validation in elation of men while they racing to sin. I'm facing the end with the embrace of a friend. No more chasing the wind in the basement I spin, because my main aim is not to gain fame. Build my life on Christ's name and risk it for the same. As for this world, I'm in and out of it, destined to rise above it. Definitely don't love it, but love my guardians, the father and son. Together forever, an audience of one.
The audience is singular ingredients, consist of we obedient pendulum entities. Our identities vocalized, we rise and sense of glorified Jehovah Jah, three persons unified. The audience is singular ingredients, consist of we obedient pendulum entities. Our identities vocalized, we rise and sense of glorified Jehovah Jah, three persons unified.